Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we made it through another week. We had a fun time. We had lots of fun videos to watch. This is week number 3. This is the week in review. Now, this week started out with a video on Monday that actually was a follow-up to a video from last week. Last week we posted the how to make a Barney puppet from the Barney toy. Well, Monday was Barney performing One Last Time. So there's a little kind of behind the scenes on that. You almost have to watch the Barney One Last Time and then watch the Barney video of how to make a Barney puppet the hard way, because the Barney puppet, to me, I thought was just the couple little spots, but they had sensors all over the Barney doll, and I didn't actually get to use those in the Barney One Last Time. So if you do like to watch the Barney One Last Time, also watch the Barney how to make a Barney puppet from a Barney doll, okay? And talking about making puppets, we did on Tuesday, we did how to make a dog puppet. Now, the dog puppet was a little different because it's just another one of those things, another little animal, this and that. But it's fun. We still have fun making the little puppets from the dog toys and the electronic toys, okay? Now, Wednesday, I got back into the discount tool review. I made a trip to the Dollar Tree, and I found that they have a lot more tools than they used to. Now, with Dollar Tree, you almost have to hunt and find a Dollar Tree that carries all the items that you need, or go to several in your area. But this first one was the 12-in-1 screwdriver set. Now, it had all sorts of little gadgets, sockets, and this and that, and it was all in this little handle. So that was the 12-in-1 screwdriver set. So you want to check that out. Also, the next day, on Thursday, was the 8-in-1 screwdriver set. That one actually had a little rubberized collar that had the different bits in the rubberized collar, and you'll get to see how that one fared. And then on Thursday, we followed it up with the precision screwdriver set. Those are those little tiny ones that usually you would find using it for eyeglasses or what have you. This one was a little different. I think they were trying to cater to the people who are working on computers and this and that, where they needed that fine, delicate instrument that was not for a screwdriver set. Okay. Now, and Saturday, we followed up with another puppet video. Saturday was how to make a My Friend Teddy puppet the hard way. So the My Friend Teddy doll, we took that and we made a puppet out of it. Okay. So that was the week in review. Again, we started out with Barney One Last Time performing. We did a dog puppet. We did 1, 2, 3 different screwdriver sets from the Dollar Tree. And we did a My Friend Teddy doll turned into a puppet. Okay? Keep looking into the weekend reviews, or keep checking for the videos. In fact, if you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. We appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe for updates. That way you'll get them before they get into the weekend review or get posted on Facebook. And again, I want to thank you for being here. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.